good to have that analysis
Love
of
going to
all of that.
sleep
Thank
on
you
the
both very
bed.
much indeed. Thank you.
The listing time now is 8:42. It's 10 years
So
since not
tired.
one day became a publishing phenomenon. After selling more than 5 million copies around the world, the Big Ten became a huge hit film starring Anne Hathaway.
Now best-selling author David
Holly.
is back with a new book. It's called Sweet Sorrow, which again turns to the theme of falling in love
tired.
for the first time. David,
Close your eyes and
lovely
go
to see you.
for
Thank you
it.
so much. Yeah, so in this book, you sort of go
girl.
back a bit, don't you? It's to look at the first time somebody falls in
girl.
love.
Yes, my last novel was about
Oh.
marriage, long relationships and divorce, and I didn't want to write
No,
that one
nice,
first, so I wanted to
Holly.
go back to the beginning. And yes, it's about the kind of
Holly. Go on this way, you're not gonna sleep.